the one I love. Oh, she's the one I need. She's the one I want. No one can take her place. I've been searching for a long time for you. When you drove by, I knew that you were the one. Yeah, I've tried to get you off my mind, but I failed. Oh, baby, give me a chance to love you. Oh, baby.
Hi, baby, how are you? Oh, yeah, I'm fine. I'm done, though. That was fast, right? Yeah, you know, I had to be there in person so that those guys wouldn't play with me. So, yeah, I'll be back soon, you know. So how are you and my beautiful kids? Okay, I'll be coming back maybe tomorrow. My flight is 6 a.m. I've already booked my flight and yeah. Maybe I'll see you guys soon when I come, okay? Yeah. Oh, I love you, baby. I do love you so much. For real, I do love you. Oh! Go. What is the matter? Why are you in a haste? Who's pursuing you?
I killed him.
You killed who?
The bastard is married with kids.
Who?
Melvin.
God. Is that why you decided to take laws into your hands?
He used me. He wanted to run to America to meet his wife and kids without telling me. I killed him. I'm happy he has gone to the great beyond. I do not regret my action.
What have you done? What has this?
Did I not say it? She has succeeded in destroying her own life. Ha! Beauty.
And she doesn't regret it.
It's time to get it right.
You called.
You see, quite some time now, I have been stupid. But yeah, I'm glad that she said no to me. If not, I wouldn't have found this gorgeous, sophisticated damsel right before me. You see, Abigail, there is this uniqueness about you that makes you so endearing. You're everything and more that I've ever wanted in a woman. You know, within a short period of time, I've grown so fond of you. And I'm going to ask you this. To please walk this walk with me. Marry me, please. Please.
Yes.
Are you for real, baby?
I'll marry you.
It's a yes.
Come on, put it already.
I'm so excited. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
It's so beautiful. We need a bottle of champagne to celebrate this. Let's go to the city.
I am blushing.
Why are you happy now? Did you win a jackpot?
I won more than a jackpot.
What is that on your finger?
Oh,
Is that an engagement ring?
what does it look like?
Tell me now, what's going on? Don't leave me in the dark. What is this? Who proposed to you?
The love of my life proposed to me and I said yes.
So who is this lucky guy?
Why are you asking?
Because you're a good girl. I mean, sometimes I act irrational. You're always there by my side. So yes, any man that is getting married to you is the luckiest man on earth. Wow, my girl is off the market. Congratulations.
You see, bro. Now take a look at you. You look excited, fulfilled. You look genuinely happy. This is what I have been talking about. You see, tell me you now you are not happy. You tell me that you are not happy.
Well, you are perfectly correct.
Okay.
I'm extremely happy. In fact, I'm more than happy. You know, meeting Abigail and knowing her is the best thing that has ever happened to me.
Why are you telling me what I already know? I told you emphatically that she is way better than that spoilt brat of a girl. I told you.
Well, we have made terrible mistakes in the past. You know, man have to go through some certain setbacks sometimes, breakdowns and all that. But what matters is how we come back to our feet, pick up our pieces, and make things right. I'm happy the man that I've become now, all thanks to Abigail.
Great, great, wonderful speech. I love it and it made sense. This is what I have been talking about. And everything just makes sense so easy, effortlessly. You see, now you are a blessed man, I promise you. One more thing, my brother. When is the wedding date? I should be the first to know, you know? Yes.
Yeah, you're right. She told me she got a job as a chartered accountant in a very large firm in Abuja. But that will never happen because I'm going to see her people next week Saturday and nothing will stop it. So after that, we can pick up from there.
Perfect. Great, sweet. Hey! One day.
My man.
You see this wedding? We shall be there. You will be there.
Seriously,
It would have been you, Beauty. But you pushed him away.
Pushed you away? What are you talking about?
Well, thank you for not accepting him.
Wait, hold on. Don't tell me Kajetan proposed to you.
He did. And yes, we're getting married.
What? Wait. Abigail, of all the men in this world, it was Kajetan you chose? What can he possibly do for you? You want to suffer? He cannot give you a good life. What are you doing?
Beauty, Kajetan and I are getting married next week Saturday. And you, my friend, are invited.
Nah. I am the daughter of the rich army general. There is no way I am attending that marriage. It's not possible.
Really?
Yes.
So you're telling me, your best friend, that you will not attend my wedding?
Well, I am not going to attend. Go ahead and do your thing. How can a pretty girl like you debase herself so low to get married to that low life? That broke thing, that... What did you see in him? Are you blind? What is wrong with you?
Okay. But you and I know I wouldn't do that to you, right?
Well, you accepted a man I rejected. There is no way on earth I will attend that marriage. Worst of it all is that man is stinkingly broke. Broke as nigger. God, were you blind? Jesus Christ.
Oh my God, Beauty. It will shock you to know that the one you called broke isn't broke at all. I wish you knew what I knew. Oh my God. Hello?
Hello, my gorgeous queen. Where are you?
Oh, baby. I'm on my way home now.
Oh, you forgot we're having an appointment today?
Oh, that's true. I actually did forget. Sorry.
We supposed to go for your visa.
Yes, I know. But not to worry. I'll be back soon, okay? I love you.
And you know that I love you so much, right?
I love you, Mom.
Yeah, baby. See you when you come here.
Oh, my baby. Oh.
Look at this handsome army guy. His uniform fits him so much. Let me see if I'll send him a friend request. What? Lieutenant Colonel Kajetan. What? He is an army? Musa! Musa! Musa!
Ma.
Hurry up, come. Look at this. You know him, right?
Yes. It's not the PS guy that used to come here to toast you.
He is a colonel in the US Army.
How?
Hi.
How come? But he said he's a PS guy.
That's what he made me believe. Oh my goodness, what have I done to myself? I just lost this man to my girlfriend, Abigail.
You don't mean it.
Hi. What have I done? Well, you should have advised me. You should have called me to order now.
Madam, but your friends now, even Abigail was advising you then. You know,
What have I done to myself? What have I done to myself?
It's
Nami.
Yeah. It's one of those things. So, maybe...
Oh, God. Father, see.
Who's he? I can only see a handsome Lieutenant Colonel in the US Army.
Kajetan,
The one we all believed was a POS guy. What? A lieutenant colonel in the US Army. How?
I've lost him to Abigail.
Hey! I said it. I knew it. I've always said that there's something about this guy I couldn't place my fingers on. Huh. But my daughter won't listen to me. She wouldn't listen to me. She wouldn't pay rigorous attention to details. Instead, she chose a married man. Thank you, gods, that man didn't die. Because if he died, he would have been in prison by now.
They're getting married next week, Saturday. I will not sit here and watch Abigail marry my man. He came for me first. I must have him. He is mine.
Oh. Okay. You want to put up a fight with your friend about a guy you called broke? I see. Very well then. Go ahead and put up a fight with your childhood friend over a man you hated his guts. Young lady, let me advise you. If you know what is good for your stupid self, leave them alone. Try and do something with this your leftover self, because he has gone. You can never get him back. You hated that guy so much.
I can't. I deserve to be with a good man. I'm beautiful, I'm sexy, I am more educated than Abigail. I graduated with first and second degree from Oxford University. I deserve to be with him. I must have him. If I cannot have him, nobody will.
Go and have him. I told you there was something about that guy, but I couldn't place my fingers on. You didn't believe me. Now you want to have him by force. Come and have him. Rubbish.
Baby, I want you to know that you are everything amazing. I mean, all shades of awesomeness. The truth is that I regret the stupid things I did with the wrong person.
What's funny is how you got slapped by her severely, and you even had to do a couple of frog jumps to prove your undying love for her. I mean, you are a soldier, yet you endured all of that.
Well, I was blinded
By her beauty. Yes, we'll give that to her. Beauty, my friend, she's absolutely beautiful. She's gorgeous. But I've told her there's more to beauty than, I've told her to work on herself.
As a woman, I was carried away by her beauty, forgetting the most important thing in a woman, which is her inner character. Beauty, your friend, she's so arrogant, proud, and mannerless.
You sound bitter. Are you still in love with her? You love her, right?
Who?
Who else are we talking about? Beauty, of course.
Well, come out of it. At first, I felt that I was in love with her, but as time went on, I realized that what I felt for her wasn't love, but just fantasy. Listen, you are the one that I truly feel something strong for. You have a great personality that made you being loved by all and sundry. Please, stop bringing beauty in our conversations going forward.
Okay, it's fine.
I love you with all my being.
And I love you more.
Come here.
My beautiful wife. My beautiful wife, mother of my beautiful children.
Stop. Stop now.
Can I stop?
We are no longer your stars, What
do you mean by that? You are still the beautiful damsel that I saw and fell in love and married. Yeah.
Honestly, I can vividly remember how you walked up to me that year and started to sleep with. Hey,
seriously.
you know, my friend Steph told me to be wary of men in uniform. She opined that they are Casanovas and cannot stay with one woman.
Seriously?
Yeah, she was of the opinion that all men in uniform flirts. Hey, for me, I told her I was in love with you and wanted to date you. And that was how I lost her.
You lost her how?
Yes, she warned me of her.
So where is she now?
Dead.
Steph is dead? What happened?
Then she was in a toxic relationship with one Eric. Though I warned her to stop the relationship, but she said she was in love with this man and couldn't leave. One fateful black day, they had their usual misunderstanding, and Eric stabbed her and absconded.
What? Stabbed?
Apparently, he was apprehended while trying to leave the border. He was apprehended, paraded, prosecuted, and sentenced to life imprisonment.
Good.
2 years down the line, he was found dead inside the prison.
Dead inside prison? How managed? How did it happen?
He took his life.
Oh, he ended it all.
Yeah. We believe that the spirit of Steph, his wife, made him take that dastardly act.
Oh, too bad.
I miss her though.
Steph.
Come here, baby. What's wrong? Why did you stop?
I don't want to do it.
What do you mean you don't want to do it? You told me downstairs you were catching feelings for me. Never mind, just come.
Oh, please stop. I'm sorry. I can't do it.
Is this about beauty? Fine.
Abigail,
Her death came as a huge shock to me. It hurts because I want her. I want her, but she won't listen.
No. Well, stubbornness kills sometimes.
Steph is one friend I wish I never lost. I still miss her a lot. Can't get over her death.
Huh? You'll be okay. You'll be fine. I think Beauty is here.
Hey, come back here. How could you? Does it mean you didn't see your father and I? Besides, you went to the shopping mall. Where are the things you were asked to buy?
I didn't do any shopping.
Why?
I saw them.
You saw who?
Abigail and Kajitan. I saw them coming out from the mall, laughing heartily like lovebirds, entering Kajitan's car.
Drama queen. What's with this drama? How does their decision to move on with their lives after you rejected Kajitan affect you? How does Kajitan finding happiness and moving on with his life, how does it affect you?
She's not going to have him. If I can't have him, nobody will.
Honey, you know what? I think your daughter has completely lost it.
You think so?
Desperado! Husband snatcher! How desperate can you get? How long can you go?
Huh? What is wrong with you?
What's this fuss about?
I knew you were daft, but I never knew you've added being a drama queen on the long list. What is wrong with you? You rejected him, and he came for me. What's the fuss about?
You're a desperado. That's who you are.
I warned you, Beauty. I told you not to keep toying with men. You can eat your cake and have it.
You are evil. You're not a good friend. You knew he wasn't a POS guy. You knew he was a soldier like my father, yet you hid it from me. Why didn't you tell me?
I did not know. I didn't. How was I supposed to tell you what I don't even have an idea about? He invited me to his place, and I went there thinking I was going to find him in the slum. I got there and I found out that he was very rich and he was also in the US Army. So how was I supposed to tell you? Besides, I guess he lost his interest in you.
What have I done to myself? I just shot myself on the leg without knowing.
Why the sudden interest in a man you never cared one bit about? You and I know that you do not love Kajitan. So why are you acting like a child? Why are you sulking? Beauty, you need to grow up.
Stay away if you don't get the money. I'm a queen, I deserve the best. Run away if you don't get the money. Not them for nothing, not them for nothing. I only want the goodie vibes. I don't want anyone with bad energies. Yeah, I'm so allergic to poverty. No time for dulling my energy. I deserve the whole wide world, yeah. If you don't get the money, I'm a queen, I deserve the best. Run away if you don't get the money. Not them for nothing, not them for nothing.
How did you find me?
A catfish cannot be hidden in the water. What a handsome army. Lieutenant Colonel Kajitan.
So, what are you doing in my house?
You. I want you.
Excuse you. Watch your hands.
My hands don't bite.
If you touch me one more time, I'll be left with no other alternative but to call the security guy to kick you out of this house.
Why are you behaving like this? Have you forgotten we had something going on?
You two had nothing whatsoever. You broke me, and you didn't care how that made me feel.
I'm sorry. I was going through some hiccups.
All I did was to find true love, and all you could do was to spit on my face, thinking that I was poor. You looked me in the face and called me broke.
I'm sorry.
You dished out a lot. Well, I took it and tolerated it because I was just thinking and believing that it's just a matter of time. You will realize that I am the one for you. I was willing and ready to give you this whole world. But you spoiled it.
I'm sorry. Please stop emphasizing on all the things I did to you. I was emotionally traumatized. I'm so sorry.
We'll have nothing and we'll never have anything together. I'm just surprised that you showed your face here after everything that you made me go through.
It shows it wasn't me.
Going to Abigail's house wasn't a way of peace.
She told you I came to her house to fight her. I never fought her.
So then, what did you go to her house to do?
She's my girlfriend. I drove to her house to see her.
Well, I don't have such time to stand here bargaining words of dialogue with you. I have so many important things to do. As a matter of fact, I have a flight to catch.
A flight? You going to the US today?
You will find your way out.
Kajitan, please. I'm a changed person and I'm here for you.
Stop this.
Please,
Stop this nonsense.
Kajitan, it's me, Beauty.
I don't care. Please leave my house. I said stop this and leave my house. Listen, I do not want to disrespect you. Please leave my house.
I'm angry at myself. The signs were there. I can't even lie. He doesn't want me anymore. He doesn't want to see me. God.
Beauty, I think you are hitting yourself too hard.
I lost him. I lost him due to my foolishness.
Much as I hate to admit it, your mom was right. I am sorry for all the wrong I did to you.
Dad didn't do any wrong to me. In fact, you taught me a lot of things that I know.
Well, I didn't teach you right. I wasn't a good father to you. I destroyed you. Now, what should come to you, she has.
They're getting married.
Never mind. Definitely your own man will look at you. But Beauty, you have to drop this attitude of looking down on men. Yes. I think you need a change of environment. So get ready, put your things together. You'll be traveling to the UK next week to be with your brothers.
It's a good idea, Father. But please, allow me to stay around for a while so I can wish my girlfriend a happy married life. She'll be getting married next Saturday.
What?
She's still my friend regardless.
Well, if that's what you want. If that's what you want.
I get cash, my guy. James.
Catch that! It's a lie.
This is your guy.
What? My guy!
My man.
Who get this fine with you?
This is my car. One of my cars actually.
One of your cars?
Yes.
Kaje?
Eh?
Kaje, Baba?
Fuck your things. Let's go to my house and chill.
Your house? And chill?
Yeah.
I like
Fuck your
chilling.
things, let's go.
I like to chill. Who doesn't like to chill? Amaka!
Oh.
Hey, Kalenda!
Yeah, James. Come in. You're welcome to my house.
Wow. Kandita, I mean, this is your house.
Actually, I'm Lieutenant Colonel Kajita.
Who be this? Hey. You be soldier?
Lieutenant Colonel Kajetan Moses. Yes, I am a soldier. I actually came back to Nigeria because I'm in search of a wife.
A U.S. Army officer. Hey, boy, you can act too. And you allowed that daughter of a major to humiliate and embarrass you the way she did all along. Hey.
Well, it's fine. James, my guy. How are you doing now? It's been a while.
Wait. Why you no go join all these Nollywood people now? Make they do film, they shoot film. You can act though. Hey, actor.
James, you know how close we are. As a matter of fact, you're my very good friend, and not just that, you're more like a brother to me now. And I'm going to make you an offer.
An offer? What offer?
I would like you to come to America with us and get enrolled in the army.
Come to America? Army? Yes, I'm coming, I'm in. And what am I even doing here in Nigeria now? Thank you.
Good. So my friend, all the necessary arrangements will be made. Like getting you a passport.
Thank you very much. I'm so grateful. Thank you.
Fine. You remember our discussion? I mean, the discussion we once had when you told me that you want to be a soldier.
Yes, I did. I told you of my plans initially that I wanted to be a soldier. But that was just my plans. I didn't know you are an army, working with the US and all of that.
Okay. So I guess this is a dream come true for you.
Yes, it is. Hey, see US. Officer James. US, here I come.
Honey.
Hi.
Hi.
Food is ready, so let's eat.
I can't wait to have what you cooked.
And your friend can also join if he's staying.
Alright. Thank you so much.
Kajitan, is that not Beauty's friend?
Yes, Abigail. Well, we'll be getting married next Saturday.
Wow. Congratulations.
Thank you, man.
I'm happy for you. Hey.
Thank you so much. So, let's head to the dining. She said food is ready.
Oh, okay. Wow. Now, wow. Who would have believed that Kajeta is a US Army female and is this rich? Hey.
James, you can say that again. I mean, that was the same thought I had the first day I stepped into this house. Trust me, I was surprised.
Hey.
In fact, surprise is an understatement. I was wowed.
It is so big, it is so big. I'm still in shock. This life, see, this life never despise anyone.
Of course, you're truly correct.
Come on, guys, can we just eat? We'll have a lot to actually catch up with.
But, hold on. Where did you get all those clothes you used to wear to my POS bank?
Is that supposed to be a question?
Yes, it's a question.
Yes, James. Do you know, I haven't actually asked that question. Tell me, where are they? Because ever since I've been in this house, I've gone through your closet and I've not seen anything like that. Tell me.
Guys, please, can I just eat?
No, you can't eat. Tell me.
I'm not eating.
I want an answer to that question.
I do want an answer to that.
Well, after winning you over, I want all of them.
Oh. You are super corny.
I did.
You start with me.
Oh, I did?
Yeah, you did. What is it? Be explicit or just leave me to enjoy my peace. Come on, what is it?
Okay.
Why are you holding that? What? You. Oh my God. Come on, you're a soldier. Why are you scared? As well, you just tell me you are in the mood and you want to make out with me. That's more like it instead of just, are you that chicken-hearted?
Well, this has nothing to do with it, soldier.
What has it got to do? Tell me.
So, why don't we go into the room
And
we'll figure it out.
okay. That's more like it. So go into the room and I'll join you shortly.
I've been waiting for you.
I know. That's who's here. I'm glad you're... What's that? What did I just touch?
My thing, of course.
Oh my God.
I'm smiling.
Oh, thank God. Thank God. You didn't just give me the most handsome husband in the world. I mean, you also gave me a breathtaking, a big enough.
I
love you.
I mean, it's time for us to explore each other.
And exploring, we shall.
Baby, actually, you did not tell me that it was the first time.
Well, if I remember correctly, someone said we should explore each other. But I'm glad. I'm glad my first time was with someone that I truly care about. My baby.
Yes, my love.
You are a soldier, but you're so shy. Why?
I'm not shy. I'm in love. I love you so much.
And I hurt you.
You are more than enough. And I'm grateful to God for not letting me make mistake in choosing the right one for me. I would have gone the way of my father, shattered into 1,000 pieces. I'm a product of a broken home, and it makes me grieve.
Well, you don't have to grieve anymore, okay? I am here for you. And I promise to be your wife, your mother, and so much more. Okay?
Thank you.
Beauty, can you stop sulking? It's not the end of the world. Come on.
I messed up.
Well, we all do at some point. But the good thing is, your own man will find you. I feel Kajetan wasn't meant for you. Okay? So chill.
Kajetan, I'm sorry for everything I did to you. The slaps, the kicks, the beatings, the punishments, the embarrassment. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. Please.
Beauty, it's fine.
My encounter with you has taught me a very big lesson.
Beauty, I am happy you have learned a lot of lessons from your mistakes. Colonel, please forgive her.
Mom, I've already done that. I bear no grudges against her. The reason my wife and I are here. Beauty, I forgive you from the depth of my heart.
Thank you. Abigail, I'm sorry for trying to put up a fight against you. You warned me, but I didn't listen. You begged me to accept him. I didn't listen to you.
Beauty, come on. You are my friend turned sister, so you do not have to kneel for me. Come on. Come on. Yes. Come on, sit.
My father said I'll be traveling to London to meet my elder brothers.
Really? Wow, congratulations. Oh my God. Oh, but I will miss you.
Same here. I'll miss you too.
Congratulations, my young man.
Oh, thank you, Mayor.
Very well then, at this juncture, I think all of us should move to the dining, because lunch is served.
Okay, so let's go.
Come on, I'll join you, okay? Come on. Beauty. Like I told you earlier, you are my friend turned sister. So we're practically family. And like my dad will always say, someone who doesn't know where the rain started beating him will not know where it stops. The reason I'm saying all of this is because you told me that you'd be relocating to the UK. I don't want you to keep doing things the traditional way. I want you to change your attitude as you relocate.
I've done that already. I'm a changed person now.
Perfect. I'm happy to hear that. Listen, I want you to live your best life, and soon enough, I'm sure you shall bring me news. Good news.
Thank you. I'm sorry for everything I did to Kajetan and Fred. I probably shouldn't have done what I did to them. Please beg them for me. I'm sorry.
Come on. My husband has put that behind him. As for Fred, trust me, he's moved on long ago with his wife. So you have nothing to worry about, okay?
Abigail, I feel so ashamed of myself.
You don't have to be ashamed. Come on. The most important thing is you realized your mistakes and you made amends. That's what counts. Listen, on a lighter note, human beings are social beings. So feel free to make lots and lots of friends. Yes. Enough of your snobbish nature. Come on. No more. No more. Okay?
Hey girls. You kept us waiting.
We'll join you. But I'll miss you though.
Let's go. Enough of the miss. Let's go.
I'll miss you. Your mommy will practically start beating us right now, so let's just join them. But cheer up, come on. You're gonna make me cry.
I'm fine.
Okay, air kiss. Mwah, mwah. Get up.
She's the one I love. Oh, she's the one I need. She's the one I want. No one can take her place. I've been searching for a long time for you. When you drove by, I knew that you were the one. Yeah, I've tried to get you off my mind, but I failed. Oh, baby, give me a chance to love you. Oh, baby, she's the one I love. Oh, yeah, she's the one I need, baby. She's the one I want. 'Cause I cannot get you off my mind. Can you give me a chance? I'll never break your heart. I'll never break your heart. I don't know your past, but I can make this future beautiful.